Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Google Maps. Open the app or go to Maps. Google, com and search for the general address. Once you see the area, zoom and switch to satellite if you need clearer landmarks. Now tap on the exact spot or right-click and choose Drop a Pin. This places the first marker. Make sure you see the small gray pin icon before moving on. Doing this immediately focuses the map on your target and prepares the pin for more actions. Once the pin is dropped, drag it carefully to the exact coordinate. If accuracy matters, enter Street View or switch to satellite for visual confirmation. Next, tap the pin's info card and choose Add Label or Save to store it. You can rename the pin, edit the address if needed, add notes, and pick a list for organization. Make these changes now so searches and directions use your updated info. This step ensures the pin is both accurate and useful. To finish, save the pin to an appropriate list or tap Share to copy the direct link or coordinates for others. Confirm the saved item appears in your Places or the Chosen list so it's easy to revisit. If you need navigation, tap Directions and choose your transport mode. If saving fails, sign into your Google account, clear the app cache, or reload the page and try again. These final checks make sure your pin is stored, shareable, and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.